ultrasonic and sonic bat and bird deterrent devices can help reduce roosting in eaves and soffits, but work best as part of a layered, humane approach rather than as a standalone fix. Start by choosing devices that cover the frequency ranges relevant to the species you are targeting and place them to create overlapping coverage without pointing them directly into living spaces. For bats, use ultrasonic units that output in the higher ultrasonic bands bats use for echolocation and position them near entry points and cavities, but not inside active roosts. For birds, lower frequency sonic units can help disrupt comfort around perches, but they rarely prevent nesting on their own, so pair them with visual or physical deterrents. Mount units on firm surfaces and keep wiring and power sources weatherproofed to maintain consistent output. Intermittent operation teaches animals to ignore the device. Rotate or vary timing and patterns so habituation is less likely, and check every few weeks to confirm devices remain aimed correctly and are powered. Remember to follow local wildlife regulations and avoid using devices when they would interfere with protected species during maternity or nesting seasons. Homeowners commonly expect immediate, complete removal and are disappointed when devices only reduce activity. Combine ultrasonic or sonic units with bird netting or stainless steel spikes to block perching and roosting surfaces. Another common issue is installing deterrents during the wrong season, which can harm dependent young. Check and respect wildlife rules and use one-way exclusion devices only outside maternity and nesting seasons. A third problem is poor placement and maintenance that produces gaps in coverage. Fix this by mapping entry points, creating overlapping fields of deterrents, sealing inaccessible gaps when legal to do so, and scheduling regular inspections. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for humane wildlife exclusion and deterrent work, and to help contractors find projects they can bid on. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and pros share practical tips, local rules, and real-world experiences with ultrasonic and combined deterrent strategies.